CLS 550, marble wooden interior, push to start and key. You know what I'm saying? Fully loaded V8, twin turbo engine. Look, storage spots right here. You know what I'm saying? The marble wood interior. You know what I'm saying? We got the table, the Maybach feature. You know what I'm talking about? Something like, you know what I'm saying? 4-door coupe. Not a 4-door, 4-door coupe. You heard? No disrespect to nobody. You know what I'm saying? It's the doors for me. CLS 550 4MATIC. 4-door coupe. Wooden interior. Look, luxury features. Something like. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen.
Multi-contour seats with massage function when you go around the corner. The side bolsters hug you, so that way you stay positioned in the seat. This vehicle is a luxury performance vehicle.